Beauties, welcome back to our YouTube channel. It's Yamima Salah here, pro makeup artist for Ardell Beauty. I'm excited to share with you how to recreate this classic look using our brand new Faux Mink Wispies. So I'm going to start with my eyebrows. It's a great way to frame your face for the rest of your makeup. I'm using a product called Stroke a Brow, and it's so great because it's smudge proof and waterproof and will deliver all day coverage for your brow hair. I'm now going to switch and use a little bit of black. So I'm going to be using In Her Prime matte eyeshadow base this time. The word prime literally means first, so you know that you should be putting your primer on before any eyeshadow. I'm going to be using our Pro Matte eyeshadow palette. There's some great colors in here. I've chosen this middle one, which is almost a neutral shade, and I'm going to apply this from lid to brow. A fluffy brush is always great for one tone, since you can go smoothly back and forth with your brush all the way up into your brow bone. Your face is full of natural contours. One of those contours is your crease, which is right here. You can feel that little dip along your eyelid. I'm going to be using the darker shade next to the neutral shade we just used for my entire eyelid. A fluffy brush again is perfect for your crease, as you can hold it right in between that little dip. To complete my look, I actually used the darkest eyeshadow in our Pro palette and applied that to my lower lash line. For Valentine's Day, I couldn't resist doing a winged out eyeliner. It's super sexy and it will really add to this look. I'm using Fame Chaser. It's a liquid liner with a felt tip applicator that distributes enough color so that you only need one stroke. I'm gonna put mascara on my lashes now. I've chosen to use Double Up Mascara. It has two different openings. The first one gives you an intense amount of mascara on your mascara wand. The second one actually helps to peel off some of that mascara off of the wand and gives you a little bit more of a feathering motion so that you can separate your lashes. It's now time to apply my false lashes. I've chosen a brand new pair. Our iconic Wispies now come in a very luxurious faux mink. I always reach for this duo because it's packed with vitamin A, C, and E, and it's also latex free. Get your lashes as close to your lash line as possible and pinch them on with your natural lash. My eye makeup is complete, but as you can see, the Faux Mink Wispies made a huge difference. I love these lashes and I can't wait for you to try them too. Now let's complete my look with a matte whipped red lip. The formula of this lipstick is super lightweight. It's a nice creamy texture that ends up looking extremely matte. Here's the final look. Tell us what you think. Make sure to comment below. I'm really excited about all the brand new Ardell Beauty products I use, and I can't wait for you to try them too. Take care, until next time.